Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jazz. If you're new here, welcome. Today we're doing a full face of e.l.f. cosmetics and makeup, which I'm so excited about because I was not expecting this look to turn out so fire. Like, I really love the way it turned out. I think e.l.f. has definitely been leveling up over the years, and I'm so impressed. So if you want to see this entire look in action, keep on watching, but don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment down below. Let me know your favorite product from e.l.f. and I'll see you in the video. Hey guys! Alright, so I'm gonna put on some lip balm first because my lips are so dry. I'm gonna use this little mirror and this tiny brow pencil. Look how tiny this little brow pencil is. It's so tiny. So I'm gonna use that to just fill my brows in. I feel like this part is always really boring, so I'm gonna go through this really quickly. This pencil is decent for brows. I don't even know if they still make it. I've had this one for so long. It's a really creamy pencil, so if you're not into like a creamy brow pencil, you might not like it. But I've been seeing this new brow treatment called brow lamination, and I definitely want to get it done to my brows. It's just been really hard to find one in my area, like find someone who can do it. Alright, so I have 3 of the old concealers. These are the original e.l.f. Camo concealers that launched a couple years ago, and e.l.f. recently launched this new line. It's called the Hydrating Camo Concealer. So it's the same line, but it's a hydrating version. I'm going to end up mixing these two. I want to try this under my eye though. For my brows, I'm going to use this one in the shade Deep Olive. This is from the original. I'm going to carve these out because they look crazy. I'm going to use this brush to apply them. This is from Wet n Wild. This brush is 99 cents and it's pretty good for concealer. So I'm going to take this bigger brush. This is from BH Cosmetics, and I'm just going to spread this all over my eyelid. I'm going to use the concealer as my eyeshadow primer because it's just going to be a lot easier. Oh, that just made my brows look so much better, so much more crisp. So we're going to go into eyeshadow, and I picked up, well, my mom actually got this for me. This is one of the new e.l.f. eyeshadow palettes. Yeah, anyways, I'm going to use this brown color first right here. This one, then I'm going to use this one, and then I'm going to be using maybe a little bit of the black. I don't know. This is a really nice neutral palette. So far, it's blended out really nice. To blend this out, I'm using the Morphe M433 brush. Working really well. I actually thought this was my Sigma E35. Wow. Zoom out in a little bit more. Alright, that looks pretty good and natural. So I'm going to go into the darker shade, the darker brown. And I'm going to apply this over that color. And we're just going to blend this again. I'm going to take a little bit of the black and just pop it right in the very outer edge and just blend it in really lightly. Just to add a little bit of darkness out here. You don't have to put too much, just a tiny bit. Just blend it out. I'm going to go back with this brush and blend it. Then I'm going to use this shade right here for my eyelid. It's this beautiful silvery color and it looks so pretty. So we're going to use that. I'm actually going to spray it because I don't want too much fallout. I think I just completely missed the entire brush and sprayed like the floor. So I'm going to take some more of the dark brown and just go back in. Wipe off some of this fallout. I'm using moisturizer to just wipe it off. I love this eye look. I think it looks amazing. So I'm going to put some lashes on, and I got these. I picked these up yesterday from the drugstore. I don't have any e.l.f. lashes. These are from the drugstore, so I figured it would be okay for this video, but I'll show you guys. Okay, these are from Kiss. I'm waiting for this to dry, so I'm gonna actually go wash this sponge and get it nice and damp. The sponge came in this packaging. Is the e.l.f. blending sponge. BRB. So let me pop this on. Wow, this sponge got so big. Like, I'm gonna use this foundation in the shade Cocoa. I've had this forever, so I don't even know if this is, I feel like they probably have a new one by now, but this is the one that I have. So I'm gonna use it. Oh my gosh, I forgot my primer. I forgot primer. I really did. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I can't believe I did that. Wow. You only need a little bit of this primer. I just primed half my face, so I'm gonna apply foundation to this unprimed section. I really wanted to try the matte version of this primer, but my mom couldn't find it yesterday when she went to Target. Like, we were on WhatsApp. We were using the video call part of WhatsApp, and the only one they had was the original and the hydrated one. I was so mad because I really wanted to try the matte version. I think my lashes are definitely dry. I need to put them on my face. I think I waited a little bit too long, so I'm gonna wait till they get a little bit drier so I could kind of fix them a little bit more. Anyways, I'm gonna go into concealer now because I've been really excited to try these new concealers. These are the new Hydrating concealers, and I have the shades, I have Deep Cinnamon and Tan Walnut. These are the two that I picked out. I'm gonna start with Cinnamon and see what that looks like. That's pretty much my skin tone. I'm gonna have to use this and then add a little drop of the other one. Maybe they have more shades of this online. So I'm gonna blend this in first. I actually do like this formula. It feels really nice and hydrated, and it's blended out really well. Okay, that looks pretty good. I love the way this looks. Like, this looks really good. I'm gonna actually take a little bit of this lighter one. You put a little dot of it under. I can't put too much because it's so light. Wow, this is light. Because I want to, you know, brighten under my eye. Okay, I think a little bit is okay. Brighten a little bit, not too much. We don't want to look crazy. Or maybe we do, you know. If you do, then do you. Okay, Elf. Okay, Elf. I am here for this. This looks good. So I'm going to use my setting powder. This I've had for a while. This is the sheer setting powder from Elf. I didn't pick up a new one, so I'm going to just use this one. Praying that I do like it. I don't remember how I felt about this. Okay, it's pretty sheer. It's fine. Oh, this looks flawless. Oh, this is looking really good, actually. Whoa. I wonder if this comes in other colors because, wow. I don't remember this being such a, like, nice powder. Alright, so I'm really loving this powder. Like, I don't remember it being this good and this, like, I feel like I look flawless with this powder. Okay, girl. Okay, Elf. So I'm gonna use some cheek products. I have some blushes. I have this bronzer in Turks and Caicos. This is an older product, but it's just really good. My favorite when it comes to bronzing from Elf. So I'm just gonna put this right here. It works for my complexion, and honestly I don't remember seeing anything new when it comes to bronzing. So this is what I'm gonna use, and it still looks really good. Okay, you see that? Like, do you see this though? Do you see it? When you're halfway put it on your makeup and you start feeling yourself, like, this one does have a little bit of shimmer, but I do like it. It looks really beautiful. This brush is from Bare Minerals, by the way. I don't know what type of brush it is, but I like it for that. It's like kind of weird, but I do like it for a bronzer. I'm gonna use my Elf blush kit. This is 4 different blushes from Elf, and this is really nice. I'm gonna use this shade right here because it's like the most vibrant and I like it. It's giving me like Barbie vibes, you know? Yes, girl. I'm gonna go back into the eyeshadow palette because I want to smoke out a little bit on my lower lash line. I'm gonna take the dark brown color and I'm gonna just add a little bit down here. I want it to be a little bit more smoky. And then I have this mascara from Elf. So I have this cool looking mascara from Elf. I've actually never tried this one before, but the brush looked really nice. So I was like, let me try this. I like the bristles. It's not as thick as I would like, but I do love the bristles on this. So I'm going to use this 24 karat gold highlighter. I have this one, and I also have this one in Enriched, but I think I'm going to use this one today. I'm going to use a Real Techniques brush with it. Oh, this looks really nice. This looks really beautiful and just like a subtle glow. I love this. It's such a beautiful subtle glow. I'm going to use this highlighter in the inner corner of my eye also, just to make that area pop and look, you know, more awake. This is definitely a makeup must for me. Like, I have to highlight the inner corner because it just really elevates the look. I'm gonna take this off my face. Alright, that looks good. I'm gonna go with the sponge and just blend this in because it looks a little bit, you know, brighter than I want it to. This makeup is girl, my eyelash is definitely trying to play me, but we're not even gonna let that, you know, negative energy get to us. We're gonna ignore that. All right, so for my lips, I don't have a lip liner. I don't know if they have lip liners for my skin tone. I don't even check. But anyways, I have two products. I have a lipstick in the color In the Nude, and then I have this beautiful gloss. This is from one of their collabs, the Modern Metals collab, with a few different creators, and one of them was Leslie Alvarado, which I love her. Alright, so I definitely do need a lip liner with this lipstick because it's just a little bit too, you know, I actually kind of like it though. I'm going to add a little bit of the gloss to hopefully take away from that harsh nude. This gloss is going to add some glitter to it, and hopefully it won't look as, you know, I'm going to add a little bit of lip liner. So this is my full face of e.l.f. makeup, you guys. I am loving this entire look. I'm so here for this. It looks amazing. I am shook. Okay, I'm definitely shook. I was not expecting it to be so, like, you know, like crisp and on point, but girl, this is sitting like Sephora makeup. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. Let me know your favorite e.l.f. makeup product, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.